Good morning all my dear UPC aspirants. So welcome back to Sindhuja's Daily News Analysis. So today we will be having only one editorial session analysis, that is only part 1 will be there. It's regarding an article based on trade defense where we need to discuss about the anti-dumping duty. So recently in the month of July the government has decided not to impose anti-dumping duty ADD on imports of certain copper products from China, Thailand, Korea and 3 other countries. Now here what we have to discuss is what is this concept of anti-dumping duty and all. So dumping, first we have to understand, dumping means, dumping is said to occur when the goods are exported by a country to another country at a price lower than the price it normally charges in its own home market. So actually this is an unfair trade practice which can have an terrible effect on the international trade. And in the month of April, DGTR recommended imposing the duty on copper and copper alloy flat rolled products from China, Korea, Malaysia, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand after conducting a probe. What is DGTR? Directorate General of Trade Remedies. Then what is the objective of this anti-dumping? See, it is a protectionist tariff that the domestic government imposes on foreign imports that it believes are priced below fair market value. The use of anti-dumping measures as an instrument of fair competition is permitted by the World Trade Organization. Now, imposition of anti-dumping duty is a measure to rectify the situation arising out of the dumping of goods and its terrible effects. In a long term, anti-dumping duties can reduce international competition of domestic companies producing similar goods. Now, how this anti-dumping is different from countervailing duties? See, ADD, which I mentioned to you in the opening session of today, ADD is a customs duty on imports providing a protection against the dumping of goods at prices substantially lower than the normal value, whereas countervailing duty is a customs duty on goods that have received government subsidies in the originating or exporting country. Now, let's look in detail what is WTO's provisions related to anti-dumping duty. First one is sunset review. Like it can be extended for a further period of 5 years through a sunset or expiry review investigation. What is a sunset review or expiry review? It is an evaluation of the need for the continued existence of a program or an agency. It allows for an assessment of the effectiveness and performance of the program or agency. So such a review can be initiated on the basis of a duly substantiated request received from or on behalf of the domestic country. Second, WTO provision is validity. An anti-dumping duty is valid for a period of 5 years from the date of imposition unless revoked earlier. Then DGTR I mentioned in between in this editorial analysis session. So what is DGTR in detail? You can note it down. That is, this DGTR or Director General of Trade Remedies provides trade defense support to the domestic country or domestic industry and exporters in dealing with increasing instances of trade remedy investigations instituted against them by other countries. Then second point regarding this is Apex National Authority, under which ministry it comes? Ministry of Commerce and Industry. For what purpose? For administering all trade remedial measures including anti-dumping, countervailing duties and safeguard measures. So hope today's news analysis was interesting and informative for you all. Stay tuned, take care, stay safe and bye bye.